Hey y'all, Sarah Sunshine here. Today we are going to talk about trash. If you know me, then you know one of the things I enjoy doing while I travel is cleaning up the beaches and hosting cleanups with Clean Sea and Big Blue Ocean Cleanup. It is my way of giving back to the places I travel to, and it's something that is very meaningful to me. So I wanted to tell you guys about it and let you know how you can get involved. We are here in Buenos, Mexico. We just did a beach cleanup last week. It was fantastic. It always feels so good when you have strangers, locals, expats, travelers, people from all over the world just coming together to do something good for the environment. It's just a really good feeling. So let's rewind to the place where it all began. 2019, I was about 4, almost 5 months into my Thailand journey, and I moved down south to this teeny little island called Koh Lanta. And that is where I saw mass amounts of trash, not only floating around in the ocean, but on the beaches as well. And I'd never seen that in person, that much trash on the beach. So it really got me fired up and made me want to do some beach cleaning. I ran into this nonprofit organization called Trash Hero, and they host cleanups all around the world. They are doing incredible work, and they really inspired me to do cleanups wherever I go, whether or not I have help. Just get out there and clean, whether it's 10 minutes or 2 hours, a kilo or 40, every bit counts. So the other nonprofit I wanted to mention is Clean Sea. They reached out to me on Instagram while I was traveling. They said, hey, we like what you're doing. Do you want to host some cleanups for us abroad? Hell yes, I do. So I started working with Clean Sea. It's a brother and a sister from Sweden. They are so inspiring. Definitely give them a follow. And since then, I've been working with Clean Sea, Big Blue Ocean Cleanup, and 10 Waste Challenge. We're out there trying to make a difference, and we would love, love, love for you to join us. To join the Instagram challenge, do a cleanup, snap some photos, use the hashtag 10 Waste Challenge, and join our global cleanup community. We would love to see your photos and see that you're out there making a difference and giving back to the places that you travel to. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I will see you out there, and I look forward to seeing your photos.